To download the application, please visit our website www.mystockmate.com. Click on the Download Now button. The application is absolutely safe and secure, and it will not harm your device in any way. After the application has been downloaded, click Sign Up and provide your name, email address, and mobile number. If you have any referral codes, you can also enter them, but it's totally optional. You will receive an OTP after completing the step. Kindly enter your OTP and the sign up process will be completed. After completing the sign up process, you will be redirected to the login page. Enter your mobile number, click on login, and you will receive another OTP. Enter the OTP you received to continue. And now you're all set to unlock your wealth with Mystockmate. On the first main screen, the upcoming event will be displayed. Click on any preferred upcoming event to participate in the contest. To participate, you need to create your mate. Click on Create Mate. You can choose any of the 5 stocks from the list. Make your captain and vice captain from the chosen stock. The captain gives you 2 times stock points, while the vice captain gives you 1.5 times stock points. After creating a mate and selecting your preferred contest, you will be able to see the stock team of your competitors once the contest goes live. You can check the status of your stock team in the My Section Live tab once the event goes live. Once the event have been completed, you can view the results in the My Session Completed tab. To withdraw your money, simply verify your PAN card and bank details. Then use the withdraw money option in your profile to withdraw money directly to your bank account. The application also has a learning section where you can learn about stock markets without having to pay anything. This is how you can use My Stockmate to advance your investment and earn money from the stock market.